Welcome to Petra English Academy. Today we're heading to the coffee shop. Order breakfast like a native. In this video, you are the customer and you decide how to respond during your conversation with the barista. Do you know how to reply correctly but also politely and naturally? Let's find out together. Hello, what can I get for you today?
I'll have a latte and a sandwich, please.
What kind of sandwich would you like?
A vegetarian sandwich, please.
All right, you've got the sandwich. Anything else for you today?
Yes, I'd also like a croissant, please.
Will that be for here or to go?
To go, please.
Okay, great. That'll be $12.25. Will you be paying with cash or card?
I will pay cash.
Here's your change.
Keep the change.
Thanks. Would you like a receipt?
No, thank you.
Okay, your order will be ready shortly. You can wait right over there.
Awesome, thanks.
Coffee, vegetarian sandwich, and croissant.
That's mine, thanks.
Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
What's your favorite coffee or snack? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more English conversations. See you next time.